Normally, Shein official desktop website doesn't allow image search. It only works on the mobile version. But there's a simple trick I'm going to share with you that works perfectly. First, open a new browser window, for example, Google Chrome. In the address bar at the top, type m.shein.com. This is the mobile version of the Shein website. Then press enter. Now you'll see the Shein website open in mobile view. Next, make the window narrower by resizing it so it looks more like a mobile screen. This helps display everything properly. Now click the search icon at the top. Then tap the photo button. This allows you to upload an image from your computer. Select the image you want to search for example, a t-shirt photo. Shein will now scan the image and show you matching results. As you can see, it found the exact t-shirt we were searching for. So that's how you can easily search by image on Shein using your computer. Now let's move to the phone. This method is super easy. Just open the Shein app on your phone. At the top of the screen, tap the camera icon. Choose a photo from your phone's gallery, for example, this t-shirt image.